Artsie, what are you doing? I'm just taking my daughter's cat for a walk. She's definitely a feral breeding bred cat. Look at her. Look at her, I can't get her back inside. She's been dragging me all over these rocks here out in my backyard. Look at, she has a little pirate harness on. Look at her. Artsie. No, don't slip out of the harness. Stop. Artsie. Alright, jump over the rocks again. Look at her 12 titching. That means they're agitated. Listen, I'm not crawling over the top of the rocks. I'm going to break my neck following you around here. Oh, boy. Artsie. Can't let this cat get away. My daughter would kill me. Her feral cat, look at her. Exploring the rocks. She lets me put the harness on in the house because she wants to go outside. And then she will not go back inside. Artsie? Come on, it's time to go back inside. These rocks are dangerous. Artsie, what are you doing? Watch, look at if I try to get her back. Artsie, let's go back inside. Ah! You've drawn enough blood tonight. You have drawn enough blood tonight. You crazy. Look at her, listen to her growl. She does not want to go back inside. I can't get her back inside. If I try to pick her up, look what happens. Let's go back inside, Artsie. It's time to go back inside. Hey! I need Ashton's help. Look at her. I'm not going to take you for walks anymore if this is how you behave. Look at her tail twitching away. She's hunting. Alright, I've climbed over these rocks about 3 times tonight and about broke my neck. Alright, enough hunting. What do you see down there, cricket? This is what she does. The gravel out here is very slippery. Hey, it's time to go back inside. Enough, okay. Alright, it's time. I'm not going to take you for walks anymore. No, I'm not going to follow you through that hole. Come here. Artsie, come here. Come here. Come here. Look at her. Would you find some weeds to munch on? Alright, time to go back inside. Come on, Artsie. Come on. Hey! Gosh! Oh! She got off the harness.